Hello, welcome to the Quarantine Vlogs. Today we are on a nature hike.
Did you hear the owl? Did you hear the owl?
No, I did not hear the owl, Dad.
What are you doing? This is quarantine day. What day is it?
This is day 10. No, it's day 10. Yes, it is.
Not since JB said quarantine.
Okay, but it's day 10. It is day 10 for me. I have not left the house in 10 days. Well, I guess this is leaving the house.
Will Friday be 2 weeks or 1 week?
I have not left the house near people other than my family. Alyssa, anything you would like to say?
Watch the sticker bush.
Alyssa, watch the sticker bush.
When I get out of quarantine, I'm buying a whole entire coffee shop so I can have endless supply.
That was.
What?
Why are you buying a coffee shop? We have so much at home.
It's not easy, girl.
We are going on a nature hike. The woods.
And working.
Okay, I'm going to get a table.
This is really
There's so much mud.
From this.
I'm going to get some like
Yeah, go that way. Go on the grass there.
The coffee shop culture.
oh my gosh, you're millennial.
My mom has her walking stick, or also known as just a stick.
I put down the phone and I just focus today. I'm working. Here, let me film it.
Okay, guys, I'm about to walk on this limb.
Okay, we are now watching Kate. She's going to fall into the lake. She doesn't even know, look at, see? She doesn't even know a sport that starts with G. Will she fall or will she not?
Stop before you get over the water, kiddo.
I hope we get a good fall that's going to break off.
Go the other way. Go backwards. There you go.
No, she meant walk backwards.
Bats. Mom, would you like to tell your bat story?
I don't like bats at all
Why is that?
because they went for my brain. There's mud.
I see.
They like my hair.
They like your hair?
And when you catch them, they go.
Hey, I'll video it. You jump.
I jump in there.
No, there's metal.
Metal.
She can
Don't
hurt
watch
herself.
that fence in the metal, okay?
No. No. Okay.
My mom
What
says
about
no.
into the quicksand on this side? Look, that's quicksand.
And now we take the dangerous trek back home.
Not as dangerous.
There are no stored name tags. To store a name tag, say store. To dial a number, say dial.
Shut
There are no stored name tags.
Cancel.
Say store. To dial a number,
Off.
say dial.
OnStar off.
Ready.
Cancel.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you.